Hey everybody, Ace here, Restoration Warehouse. We got a really cool wagon for you today. 1956 Chevrolet Nomad. Let's check this thing out. All right everybody, up underneath the hood, what you're gonna find is a new modern LS motor. It's a 5.3 liter backed by an automatic with an overdrive. You got power steering, power brakes, AC. This thing is ready to cruise. Stunning. That is the only word that comes to my mind when you see this interior. You got classic instrument gauges. You got a Wonder Bar new digital radio. You got vintage air controls, so you're gonna stay cool while you're cruising. It's also got all reproduction factory interior seat covers. It's got the beautiful carpet, everything from Ciadella Interiors, and that is the best in the business. Talk about space, this thing's got it. So when you want to throw all the luggage or just your chairs for your car show, check out this back end. It's all factory 1956 reproduction, rubber mat back here, beautiful stainless trim. This thing is just a wonderful, cool cruiser car. Now, if you're wondering what's hiding up underneath here, well, it used to be for your spare tire. Now, it hides your air compressor, your air tank, and your air management system from Airlift to make this car go up and down and ride comfortably going down the road. All right, let's talk about this exterior. Got a beautiful paint job. It's got a two-tone dark blue metallic and a light blue metallic. You've also got brand new Billet Specialty 18 and 20-inch wheels wrapped in some new rubber. Also hiding behind those wheels is four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes. Doesn't this car look cool? It's sitting on an air ride Airlift air suspension. Hey, thanks again for watching today. If you'd like more information on this ride or any of our other ones, visit restowarehouse.com. Give me a call, 865-409-5407. Make sure to follow all of our social media platforms, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Resto TV. Again, I'm Ace. Keep the wheels turning and the tires burning.